Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Polo Vivo headlights. First, gather your essential tools like a screwdriver and a tape measure. Park your vehicle on a level surface, facing a wall, ensuring there's enough space. Make sure your tire pressure is correct for accurate measurements. This careful preparation is key for a successful and precise adjustment process. Now, let's prepare your setup. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlights and mark this height on the wall. Then, draw a vertical line directly in front of each headlight. Finally, position your Polo Vivo exactly 25 feet away from the wall, ensuring it's perfectly straight. It's time to adjust the beams. Open your bonnet and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically find one for vertical and one for horizontal movement. Turn the vertical screw to raise or lower the beam. Aim for a slight downward slope, about 2 inches below your marked line at 25 feet. Once you've adjusted both headlights, double-check that they are aligned correctly and symmetrically. Take your Polo Vivo for a drive on a dark road to test the beam pattern and ensure optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. If you're ever unsure about the alignment, consider having a professional perform the final adjustments for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.